Welcome back to TrueHost Academy, your go-to resource for mastering digital tools and business strategies. Today, we're looking into an exciting topic that could revolutionize your customer engagement. AI chatbots. More specifically, we'll be showing you how to create your own AI chatbot for your business using ChatGPT and ManyChat. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced digital world, customers expect quick responses, and as a business owner, you can't be available 24/7. That's where AI chatbots come in. They handle inquiries, generate leads, and even enhance customer support while you focus on growing your business. And the best part, you don't need to be a coding expert. Today, we'll walk you through the process of using ChatGPT and ManyChat to build a powerful chatbot that engages customers with personalized, human-like conversations. Step 1. Understanding the tools. Let's start with ChatGPT and ManyChat, two key tools in building your chatbot. ChatGPT is an AI language model that generates human-like text responses. It can answer questions, generate content, and even assist with customer support. But remember, it has limitations. It's not perfect at understanding sarcasm or deep emotions, and its knowledge is limited to 2021 data. Then there's ManyChat, a user-friendly platform where you can build chatbots without needing any coding skills. ManyChat allows you to create interactive bots for platforms like Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. By combining ManyChat's flexibility with ChatGPT's conversational power, you get a chatbot that delivers personalized responses in real time. Step 2. Planning your chatbot. Start by asking yourself, what do I want my chatbot to achieve? Is it for customer support, lead generation, or maybe marketing? Defining clear goals will help you build a more effective bot. Then outline common use cases and user flows. This means figuring out the paths users might take when chatting with your bot. Step 3. Setting up ManyChat. Now, head over to ManyChat and create an account. It's super easy. Once inside, configure your chatbot settings, add your business name, profile picture, and branding elements to match your identity. Next, connect your chatbot to platforms like Facebook Messenger or Instagram, whichever channel your audience prefers. Step 4. Designing your conversation flow. This is where the magic happens. You'll map out how conversations with your chatbot will unfold. Start by designing a warm welcome message and a clear main menu. You want users to feel guided, so offer simple options for them to choose from. Step 5. Integrating ChatGPT with ManyChat. This is the exciting part. With ManyChat's API integration feature, you can connect ChatGPT to your chatbot. You'll also need to set up webhooks, which allow real-time communication between ManyChat and ChatGPT, making sure your chatbot delivers accurate AI-generated responses instantly. Step 6. Crafting ChatGPT prompts. To make ChatGPT effective, you'll need to write prompts that fit your business needs. Be clear and specific with the instructions you give, and don't forget to implement context retention so the chatbot can remember previous interactions. This makes the conversation feel more natural for your users. Step 7. Testing and refining. Before launching, test everything. Simulate different conversations, make sure the bot responds correctly, and gather feedback. Your users are the best source for understanding how well your bot is performing. In conclusion, creating an AI chatbot using ChatGPT and ManyChat can greatly enhance your customer engagement without the need for coding expertise. By automating tasks like answering inquiries, generating leads, and providing customer support, you free up time to focus on growing your business. We covered essential steps, starting from understanding the tools, ChatGPT for generating human-like conversations, and ManyChat for building the chatbot. We emphasized the importance of planning your chatbot's purpose, designing conversation flows, and integrating ChatGPT with ManyChat for real-time personalized responses. Finally, testing and refining your bot ensures it meets your business needs and provides a smooth user experience. By following these steps, you'll have a powerful AI chatbot that helps you stay connected with customers 24/7. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TrueHost Academy. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on growing your business with digital tools. See you next time.